Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to encrypt or secure your PDF files using a library which is called as Hummus Recipe. In the last tutorial I have shown you that how to render out a very simple PDF document with text and images using the same library. So in the video description I have given the link in the of this blog that I have written step by step. So all the source code, download the source code by visiting this link which is given in the video description. Go to this link and you will follow the step-by-step instruction. So this is a very simple example. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to npmjs.com and you need to search for a library which is called as the Hummus Recipe. This is a library here. It has got weekly downloads of 7,000, and there is a specific example which is there inside this, which is called as encryption. Encryption means that you need to secure your PDF documents. So you can secure any PDF document using this library. So let me just paste this example, or you can go to my blog. So inside the blog you will find this code. So click on the copy option, and here wherever you are configuring your Node.js project, inside index.js paste this example. So in the very first line we are instantiating this library, we are requiring this library which is installed, which is Hummus Recipe. In the second line of the code we are making a new constructor of this library. So here you need to provide your input file name. So here I will provide the path. So simply you need to pass the input file name, which is dummy.pdf, and for the output file name I will pass here encrypt.pdf. So this is the output file name. So the first argument is the input and the second is the output. So this is my input file name, which is dummy.pdf. So it contains a very simple line which is dummy PDF file. Now we need to secure it. So inside this fourth line of code we are using the encrypt method. So here we are passing the user password, which is 123. You can change your password accordingly of your choice. So it contains this property which is user password, owner password, and user protection flag. So you need to give these three properties and change your password accordingly. And lastly we are ending the PDF document. Now we need to rerun this application. Let's suppose I run this npm run dev. So you can see that it has already created this encrypt.pdf. So you will see now if I open this file encrypt.pdf, it will ask for my, this is a dialog box, it will ask for this enter a password. Let me enter an incorrect password. Click on the OK option. What you will see, invalid password, please try again. So this is an encryption which is built in using this library. We are using Node.js for this. Let me pass the correct password 123 and click on OK. You will see your PDF file will be opened. So in this way you can easily implement the encryption part, how to make password protected PDF using this Hummus Recipe library. Let me also open this inside the browser. Let's suppose where is my path here. Let me go to my project. This is there inside the projects directory, which is cmd project, and here is our file encrypt.pdf. Let me just open it with Chrome. You can use any browser, so it will be compatible. So if you open this file you will find this is a dialog box, password required. Let me enter a invalid password. Click on submit. You will see incorrect password. Let me put correct let me just put the correct password. Click on submit, and now you will see your file will be opened with the correct password. So in this way guys, you can implement password protection to your PDF documents. You can implement encryption inside your PDF documents using this library, which is very easy, Hummus Recipe, which is specifically designed for Node.js. All the source code will be there in the video description. You can go to the video description and copy paste the code. This is my blog, and thanks so much for watching this video. Please like the videos, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in next tutorial.